In this video, we are going to fix 0x80080008 in Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's get started. So in order to fix your Windows Update error, the first solution that you can do is that you need to run the troubleshooter for Windows Update. So how we can do that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. Under the settings, you need to navigate to the left pane, find for an option which is the system. Click on it. And under the system, you need to scroll down and locate for a troubleshoot and click on that one. And afterwards, you'll see there's three options. Please proceed to other troubleshooters and click on Windows Update. Go with one neck corresponding to it and wait until it would be done. It will only take 2 to 3 minutes to wait until it would be finished. And once you have finished it, check if the problem has been fixed. However, if not, then you need to navigate to the next solution, but before that, I want you to copy the command that I have given at the YouTube description. Once you have copied it, you need to go with the search box here and type for CMD. Once you have typed the CMD, you'll be able to see a best matched here, which is the command prompt system. By here, you need to click on Run as Administrator. And if your user account control would ask you to say yes, click on yes so that you can continue on running this window. So you need to paste the commands one by one and not as a whole. Okay. So the first is this one, net start bits. So by that, you need to make a right click, and then once done, you need to proceed on pasting the second. Okay, then proceed to here, the third, which is to do system scanning. This will take some time, maybe 7 minutes or less than that or more than that. Okay, once you are done with the system scanning, you need to proceed for the restoring the health of your computer. Click on the enter key, and once you are done, please proceed for the last command, which is to check the health of your computer. And once everything has been finished, you need to restart your computer, and once you've restarted it, check if the problem has been fixed. Okay, so if you have found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click or turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified for upcoming tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day.